and today I'm here with Taylor. Yeah, so since Easter is like a week away from today, we decided to show you guys how to make these really cute Easter cupcakes.
And we're really excited about this, and it's really simple and you don't need that much stuff to do it.
So we're gonna show you guys how to make these and what you need. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to make the cupcake is obviously some like baking cupcake pans, a mixer, whatever kind you have, and then for like the optional stuff to decorate, you're gonna need Peeps. You're gonna need some like mini eggs, like it could be chocolate eggs or like these are like colorful. And you're gonna need some like chocolate bunnies. You could do like whatever kind of chocolate like Easter stuff you want, and then oil. It says oil.
Vegetable oil.
Yeah.
And then you're also gonna be needing 3 eggs. Everything's gonna go in. You're gonna
a measuring
need
thing
for a cup and a half of a cup. And then you're gonna need some sprinkles. You're gonna need some vanilla frosting, or any frosting. We got vanilla. And then we're just using
some like food coloring to like dye the frosting. You could just like get like blue or pink frosting, but we couldn't really find it. So.
And then our cake mix, we got yellow cake. And then you need a mixing bowl.
Okay, let's get started, guys.
First, you have to preheat your oven to 325 degrees.
Okay, now you need 1 cup of water. Okay, then you just pour it in the bowl.
Then you are going to get a half of a cup of vegetable oil.
And this is vegetable oil in a mustard container. You know why?
Okay, then you pour that into your bowl with the water in.
You need 3 eggs.
Crack them in here so you don't get it.
And by the way, we're just reading the directions off our mix, so that's what you need to follow, like your directions.
Okay, now you're gonna pour your mix into your bowl with all the other ingredients.
So I'm just gonna open this, you know. Okay, now it says to mix on low speed for 30 seconds, so I'm gonna set my the oven clock for 30 seconds. For 2 minutes, it says to mix on high speed for 2 minutes.
Yeah, Kristin!
Mix. Okay.
Alright, so time is up for that.
Just put your cupcake thingies in. Yeah, so we can each do a tray.
Okay. Alright.
We just got these really cute Easter. Okay, we're just gonna use all pink because these white ones are way too pink.
Take this. Pour our mix into this bowl because it would be easier to pour.
You don't have to do it, but it just makes it easier. So.
Just gonna start pouring them in about halfway.
One of those cups. Okay, we're gonna put them in for like 27 minutes.
Yeah.
20.
Alright, so for our frosting, we're gonna do this while we're waiting for.
While our cupcakes are baking, we're gonna start with the frosting. And we're gonna put it in like a big bowl, and then we're gonna use.
If you're not like coloring this, like using food coloring, you don't have to do this stuff.
Yeah, this is just if you're gonna dye it. So we're gonna use some red food dye, and we're just gonna put like the tiniest.
Put all this into a different bowl to make it easier.
We're gonna start with the littlest amount ever.
I like that.
No, we're gonna use it to mix it. because look at when we're done. So first thing we got were these mini eggs to go on top. Also got these like bunny peeps. Yeah, they only had yellow, so we just had to get yellow, but that's okay. So
alright, so this is what they look like so far. These ones over here are Kristin's. And then these ones over here are mine.
We just got them out of the oven. Now we're gonna move them onto these racks.
Wait, how do you turn that on?
Onto these racks. Cool. So put them on here.
Hey, whoa.
Happy Easter. They're doing this. Happy Easter.
We've got all our cupcakes out. And so we're gonna show you how to decorate with like one with the peeps, one with the chocolate bunnies, and one with like the eggs.
Alright, but first we're gonna have to get the frosting on, obviously.
Yeah, here are 2 eggs, but I'm just gonna get like the colors that I want. Just gonna get white and blue. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stick them on like, it doesn't really matter how, but. And then you can also add sprinkles if you want. I'm gonna. Fail. Alright, so that's our first one. You're gonna
we're gonna show the bunnies.
Yeah, so you're gonna do the same thing. Now we're gonna take one of our bunnies, and they're wrapped, so you're gonna wanna unwrap them. Just gonna stick it in. Kind of like down so it doesn't come off, but like.
I'm putting it like that.
And then I'm also yeah, you could do it like flat or like up like I did. And I'm just gonna put some green to make it look like grass. So yeah, these are our bunny ones. And for our last one we're gonna show you is how to do it with
Peeps.
So you're gonna frost it.
And we only have the yellow.
Now you're gonna get your peeps. And you're gonna take one out from the rest and just put it on. Alright, these are how the peeps ones look. They look really cute. So, alright, let's put them over. And we're gonna finish frosting all of these and we'll show you what they look like when we're done. Okay, we just finished decorating our cupcakes.
This is what they look like.
So yeah.
So if you guys are looking for more ideas, here's some.
Yeah, guys, that's it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed these really cute Easter cupcakes.
It was easy and really fun. I recommend you guys trying it.
Don't forget to like this video, comment some spring requests below, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And subscribe to our channel, Taylor Kristin. Alright, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.